Hi, I'm Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Galeon 2016 420. Brand new trade, we just got it in. Let's start at the back of the boat, the cockpit area. It's got a nice lounging seating area here, and it also slides out into a sun pad. Very unique feature. We also have a unique feature where you can open the doors all the way up, and the seat on the inside will fold back, and you can sit and adjoining everybody on the outside. So it's very versatile as far as the seating is concerned. Nice lounge dining area here, opposing seating, large size galley right here, refrigerator, freezer, dual helm seat. You got the joystick, you got the Volvo Penters, so it's very ergonomically designed. It's a beautiful dash. Let's hop down to the cabins. You've got 3 cabins on the boat. You've got 2 mid cabins. You've got 2 singles over here, and this one is 2 singles but converts into a double bed. So those are your 2 there. You've got a nice size walk-in head. You also have a master. So you have 2 heads on this boat. So fantastic. You know, a very large double bed, plenty of headroom, skylights. It's plenty of room down here. 3 staterooms, enough room for everybody. Here we are up on the bridge. Let's start at the back. We have the L-shaped seating, very large capacity seating with a large table. We also have a refrigerator with a small little freezer in it here. Sink prep area with storage underneath it. And then over at the helm, you're set up perfectly here. You've got the Marine touchscreen. You've got a side bow thruster on this. So everything up here, you need to drive the boat. Nice little sun pad area here. And we're finishing up with a large bow seating in the front. The back's flipped up, so very comfortable. It's got a bimini top. It's ready to go. It's a 2016 420. So if you have any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.